In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bank details to Invoice in Xero. By the end, you'll have your bank account set up in Xero so your customers can see how to pay you right on your invoices. First, sign into your Xero account. From the main dashboard, look to the top menu and open the Accounting tab. In that drop-down, choose Bank Accounts. This is where Xero stores the accounts you use for payments, reconciliations, and, importantly, the details you want to display on invoices. Next, select Add Bank Account. You'll see a search field where you can start typing the name of your bank. Use the country selector to make sure you're searching in the correct region, then pick your bank from the results. Selecting the correct country helps Xero tailor the fields and formats to match local banking requirements. You'll be taken to a screen that offers to connect to your bank. There's a continue option to log into your bank and set up a feed. If you're ready to connect now, follow your bank's login prompts. If you're not ready, choose Continue without bank feed for now, then confirm by selecting Continue without bank feed again. Skipping the feed won't stop you from adding your bank details for invoices. It simply means you're not linking live transactions at this stage. Now, click Add Account Details to open the form. Enter a clear account name that you and your customers will recognize, such as your trading name. This label helps on reports and can make your invoices look more professional. Choose the account type that best matches how you use the account, like a standard business current account. Then pick the currency the account operates in. This matters for both invoice presentation and accurate reporting, so double check you've matched the bank's actual currency. When everything looks correct, click Add to Save. Xero will create the bank account record in your organization. With that in place, Xero can use your bank details when you prepare invoices, so customers know where to send payments. If you work with multiple currencies or accounts, repeat these steps for each one so you can choose the right details when invoicing different clients. That's it. You've added your bank account in Xero and set yourself up to show clear payment information on your invoices. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part if you want to follow along as you go.